Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exploring marketing research, chapter number 1, part 2, and the topic is the nature of marketing research. Learning objectives are marketing strategy development, market performance analysis, when to conduct marketing research, and marketing research in 21st century. Stages in developing and implementing a marketing strategy. A marketing department has to identify and evaluate opportunities which are existing in the external market. So, marketing department has to analyze market segments and select the targets markets. Planning and implementing a marketing mix. These are these are the steps that a marketing department has to take when it is to develop a marketing strategy. Identifying and evaluating opportunities. An example which is given in this book, Method Toys investigates desires for play experiences, home cooking oil is on the decline, purchase of pre-home replacement meal is on the rise, number of investors trading stock on the internet is growing. These are a couple of examples which give you awareness about what kind of new opportunities are available in the external market that a firm can explore and a firm can investigate and make sure to make a product for those opportunities. Analyze market segments and select target markets. The second step that a company, after exploration of the opportunities in the external market, a company has to analyze what are the better segments to which a firm can offer its new offering. So, Cadillac investigates buyers' demographic characteristics because this is an American book, so that's why you are reading the American brands examples in it. MTV monitoring demographic trends learns the Hispanic audience is growing rapidly. Sears learns women age 25 to 54 with average household income of $38,000 who customers targets this market with a good life at a great price, guarantees Sears. So from these examples, you can learn that a company, after the investigation or after the exploration of the segments which are available in the market, it doesn't mean that company has to go after every segment. It has to target specific segments which are good for the company's offering, or which for which company can offer good product is compared to its competitors. Plan and implement a marketing mix. After the decision of a segment which a company is going to target, a company has to develop a marketing mix. Marketing mix, product, price, place, distribution are called as tactical tools which companies have to develop to compete in that particular market. Price, these are a few examples. The Safeway does a competitive pricing analysis, distribution. Caterpillar Tractor co-investigates dealer service program. Product, Oreo conducts taste test Oreo cookies versus Chips Ahoy. Promotion, how many customers recall the live taste scores Coca-Cola slogan. So these examples give you a view about the what a company has to do about the price, distribution, and about the product and the promotion. So that's how any company has to develop its own marketing mix to compete in that particular segment. Analyze marketing performance. It's very simple. A company can compare is recent year sales with the previous year sales. So this year's market share is compared to the last year's. Another question that can help, that can indicate about the performance, marketing performance of a company. That question is, did brand image change after new advertising, etc.? So company has to evaluate its existing performance as compared to previous year. Performance monitoring research. Here comes the research topic. That research that regularly provides feedback for evaluation and control. A company has to conduct such type of marketing research. So it indicates things are not going as planned. So definitely when we conduct the research, it assures us about the performance of the company. So research may be required to explain why something went wrong. So these are the questions, that these are the problems which can be solved with the help of marketing research. Determining when to conduct marketing research. So it's very important for a company to know about the time constraints, availability of data, nature of the decision, benefits versus cost. So we can look into time constraints, availability of data, nature of the decision, and the benefits versus cost one by one in the coming slides. Determining when to conduct marketing research. Please look at this flow chart and it explains you. Let's say if time constraint, is sufficient time available? If the answer is no, then there is no need to conduct marketing research. But when the answer is yes, it means we can move to the next step. Information already on hand inadequate. If the answer no, no need to conduct marketing research. But when the answer is yes, we can move forward to the next step. Is the decision of strategic or tactical performance? A marketing manager, when a marketing manager has to make a decision, and the nature of that decision is strategic or tactical, then the company must do marketing research. But when the decision don't have that nature, the answer is no, no need to conduct marketing research. So does the information value exceed market cost? Again, if we have to do the analysis, benefits versus cost. If the answer is no for this question, no need to conduct marketing research. But when the answer is yes, it means there must be marketing research. We need to conduct marketing research. It's a very simple flow chart. One can learn easily from it. One can value versus cost. Potential value of marketing research effort should exceed its estimated cost. Otherwise, we don't need to do it. Value should exceed estimated cost. When we say value, we can look into the value and the cost in this figure. Value means decrease certainty, increase likelihood of a correct decision, improve marketing performance, and resulting higher profits. If we are going to get this type of value out of our marketing research and the cost is lower than this value, it means we need to conduct the marketing research. But when we look on the cost, research expenditures are higher than the value we are achieving out of the research, we don't need to conduct the marketing research. Delay of marketing decision and possible disclosure of information to the rivals. So it means when the costs are higher and the value which we are going to get out of the marketing research are lower, there is no need to conduct the marketing research. We always have to do this analysis when we are sure about that the costs are lower and the value and the benefits that we are going to acquire out of the marketing research are higher than the cost, that there must be the conduction of marketing research. Marketing research in the 21st century is, we can see all around the world that the world has become a global village. Increased globalization is being witnessed by everyone. So growth of internet and other information technologies has made the task of the marketing department comparatively easier. than the earlier days. Now, companies have to conduct the marketing research because these tools or these scores are available in the shape of latest technologies. Global research. Business research is increasingly global. Market knowledge is essential. AC Nelson, more than 67% international businesses. We can see that the international business is growing at a rapid pace. Global marketing research, general information about country, economic conditions, and political climate, culture and consumer factors, market and competitive conditions, demand estimation. So it means if a company is going to perform internationally, it has to conduct marketing, it has to conduct global marketing research to know about its customers, to know about the economic condition of that particular country, to know about the political climate of that particular country, to know about the culture, to know about the competitive conditions and demand estimation in those international countries where that company wants to perform. The internet is transforming society. Obviously, this information technology is bringing in the change at a very rapid pace all over the world. So we can see that with the help of this internet technology, time is collapsing, distance is no longer an obstacle, crossing ocean is only a mouse click away. Now, on our laptop, on our smartphone, we can buy or sell with the help of just one click on our smartphone or on our laptop. So it is possible just because of this internet technology or information technology development. Now business is now a company can do business all over the world with the help of this technology. People are connected 24 hours a day, 7 days a week all over the world. So instantaneous has new meaning in this era. Internet research, seeking facts and figures about an issue, survey on website. So researchers are taking help out of this internet facility. Now they can conduct the surveys on website rather than taking the questionnaire individually to every individual person. No one can develop a web survey, and all over the world people can people can take part in this survey. So things are becoming easy with the help of this internet research. Thank you. That's all for today.